Alright, cool. Welcome guys to my video on beginner's guide to Python programming. I'm gonna do this video in series and it's going to be made up of the lessons I will be able to learn over this period of time. I've just decided to go into Python programming. I've been a developer, a PHP developer for over 7 years, but I just feel I should get to learn more. So if you'll be following me, I'll be posting this video every time I learn. That's on daily basis. And for you to get notified, you have to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. If you check down, you see where you have subscribe. You just hit. It's a new channel I'm beginning, and I just want to see that I have 2 or 3 persons of a number of persons who would be interested to learn along with me. So you just click on subscribe so that whenever I have a new video, you will be notified. You can click on the notification button as well, very important. So back to our course, Python programming language. All right, today I've been able to learn what Python is, and I've got to know that Python is an open source programming language. It's an open source programming language because it has an interpreter quite well. And when you write codes with Python, it is possible for some other person. That's one thing about open source languages. Some other person may have access to that particular code. It's not compiled. It is its interpreters. So it's an open source programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, almost about over 28 years old or so. And okay, so it can be used to create applications for web and maybe build game and GUI. But even though we'll be focusing on the web aspect, what is important we get to know a little about this. So another important thing I want us to look at is how do you get started? I have been able to learn that today. I never did it, but I've done it today. So the first thing I was told is that you should ensure that Python is installed on your computer. Ensure that Python is installed on your computer. That's the first step. So how will you know if Python is installed? Simply you open a command prompt. You open a command prompt. I'm going to open a new command prompt. And then you just type Python version. So if Python is installed on your system, you get to see Python and the version. So mine is already installed and I have version 3.81. The current version of Python now is version 3. So if yours does not appear, it means you don't have Python installed on the computer. So what do? You simply visit your browser, get to Python. Let's say Python, hold on, python.org/downloads. And once you get to python.org, you select download Python. All right, downloads, and now you download the latest version of Python for the kind of operating system. Python is a cross-platform programming language. You just download Python. So once you download Python, you click on the download. I won't have to download because I've done that already. You can now, after downloading it, oh, mine is a bit far from where it was. After downloading it, you now install. You follow the normal installation process. So once you install, you go back to your um, command prompt and check. Once you have the version, you are good to go. So another thing I would like us to learn while I round up is at least you should be able to write your first programming language, Python programming language. And normally when we are writing programming languages, we begin with hello world. I have done that on several languages. So on this now, so we are going to begin straight. Already I've created a folder on desktop where I'll be putting my Python assignments or exercises. I call it my pie. So my pi is on desktop. You can choose to create yours anyway, wherever you want to place it. And after then, the next thing is we are going to be using a text editor. Maybe we choose Notepad for now. And the issue here is that whenever you are writing a Python code, you have to save the file with .py. So for instance, I'm going to write a new program telling the computer to print this is my first Python program. So I'm just saying the computer should print that. So I'm gonna save it with first. Remember, you save it with .py, indicating that it's a Python file. So we have it on our folder, which is located on desktop. You come here, you see first. So I'm gonna go straight to my folder. I navigate, make sure you navigate to your folder, my file, whatever you're using to store yours. Once you navigate there, the next thing is for you to just type Python. You type the name of the file .py. All right, so if you have done that, wow, congratulations, you've been able to write your first Python program. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video, stop, and begin another series to see how we can continue. But please, for us to be on the same page, do well to click on the subscribe button. As you can see, I don't have enough subscribers, and I want you to encourage me. Thank you for doing that. I know you are doing that right now if you've not done it already. See you on the next lesson. Thank you.